Hello there, welcome back to another video. So right here I have a 2008 Chevy Malibu. So I know most of you all would like to change your ignition coils and spark plugs because take it to the shop, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. So you all would like to do it here on your own. So this is with one of the ignition coil. So this is a new one I'm going to replace. New one. And it comes from AutoZone. So that's the part number right there, C15556. That's the part number, guys. And these are some spark plugs for it. I'm going to show you what the spark plug look like, guys. Let's see if there's a part number on it. So I think that's the part number. The part number is 9617. Check another box. Okay, so I think that's the part number right there, guys, for it. Double idiom. And so this is the spark plugs. Spark plug right here. Right, and there you go, guys. So I know when you guys remove the cover, this black cover right here, you might be wondering where you're gonna get to all those ignition coils and plug. So the easiest way to get to it, guys, is to remove these long bolts that hold on the intake manifold. This is long bolt right here. And the tool you're gonna need is a 30mm socket. 13 socket, guys. Gonna need a long nose pliers to remove this coolant line right here. And I'm gonna use a bolt to stop the coolant from leaking. So just push it in the hose like this, guys, and stop the coolant. I'm gonna remove this plug right here. Just pull up this tab right here and pull it off from this sensor. And right here I have the purge valve. Just gonna remove it from it also. Just slide it off. Right here, you're gonna just slide it off this piece right here if you cannot get it out. And that's it right here. So also remove this hose from the intake manifold. That's where the chuckle body is, guys. So all I need to do after remove those parts, just slide it to the side and you can easily catch the ignition coils. So that's two of them right here. I'll remove one of them. So what I need, I'm gonna need this socket. So it's a 5/8 socket. You're gonna need the extension of choice. And this is a magnet tool I use to remove the spark plug. So after I loosen the spark plug, I use to pull it from the hole. So some of the spark plug tools come with a rubber inside of it to go over the plug and pull it out, instead of use the magnet tools. So if you don't have that in your socket, you can just get a magnet tool where it's easier, guys. There you go. So that's how simple I can get it out without remove the intake manifold directly from the vehicle. That's it right there. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.